So how exactly do you run multiple ads on Facebook? I get this question from a lot of people about how I can run multiple ads. Can I run multiple ads using the same budget? Say, for example, you have a budget of about 25,000 Naira daily and you want to run like 4 different ads at the same time using that one budget. Is this possible? I'm going to be sharing this with you in today's video. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Bizlit and this is Bizlit NG. This YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ad. We talk about Instagram ads. We talk about platforms like Facebook and Instagram and how you can use these platforms to generate tons and tons of sales and visibility for your business. So if this is what you're interested in, then please subscribe to this YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up. In this video today, we're going to be talking about how you can run multiple ads, right? Multiple ads on Facebook using the same ad budget. Now, this is very possible. I mean, I tell my students it is absolutely possible, but here is a disclaimer. I do not advise you to run this type of ad, and I have to tell you exactly why I don't. If you are running this type of ad, you would need to spend a lot of money, right? Your daily budget cannot be 5,000 Naira trying to run multiple ads. No, your daily budget has to be somewhere around 25,000 Naira and above, because other multiple ads that you've created would use the same budget. So imagine you're using 5,000 Naira daily and then you have 2 different ads running, making it 3. That way, your 3 ads is going to use that same 5,000 Naira. So how much is going to be separated? So in the end, you don't get results. So if you're going to maximize this strategy I want to show you, you would need to spend a lot of budget such that each of the ad sets will get good budgets to deliver results. That is why I don't usually advise people to do this, especially when they are on a tight budget. So if you are on a tight budget, this is not for you. But if you have a lot of budget to spend, you have good amount of money to spend on daily budget, then this could be for you. So how do you run these type of multiple ads? I'm going to be showing you exactly how this works and all the things that you need to know if you want to run this type of ad. Okay, right? I'm sure you can see my screen already. So now I'm right here on my ads manager. I want to run a multiple ad for a business that sells foodstuff, for example, right? So I'm going to click on the create button, and then the next thing I'm going to run now, this type of ad or this type of strategy works with any type of objective. Any objective you're running, you can use this strategy I want to show you. So all you have to do, let's say, for example, I'm using an engagement ad. I'm going to use the manual engagement, then click continue. Remember, we are running multiple ads. So for this, so at this level, which is the campaign level, I'm just going to name it, call it multiple ads campaign, right? Just that. Now, this is where the trick is. At this campaign level, you see what is called advantage campaign budget. It says distribute your budget across ad sets to get more results. You can control spending for each ad set. This is what we want to do. So we're going to turn on this button here, right here, and then we're going to specify a general budget that is going to be spread across all the ad sets that we're going to be creating. So let's say now you can see here, the default they've even put here is 24,000. So we're going to use, let's say, 50,000 Naira daily budget, 50,000 Naira that is going to be spread across my ad sets. Okay, so just follow me carefully. So I've specified 50,000 Naira here, right? The next thing I'm going to do is click next, right? So all I'm going to do is to complete all my ad the normal way I would do. I mean, you know what you do. Let's say this ad is for Instagram DM. I'm going to just choose Instagram DM there, and then I'm going to scroll down and then set when I want the advert to end. Let's say this advert is going to be for 3 weeks. So I've done that already. Then I'm going to come to the location, basically just trying to set up my advert the normal way I would do, right? So I'm going to just click this, and then I'm going to put in the 2 locations I want. Okay. I'm going to put the 3 locations I want. Now I've done this. The next thing I want to do is set up my audience, right? So I'm going to use original audience. I'm going to set up my audience, put the age range of 25 to 50. Okay, I hope you're following me. So I'm just setting up my advert the normal way I would do. Put in my, now this is for a food business. So I'm going to put food ordering, online food ordering, supermarket. So this person sells food stuff. Okay, so I'm going to use supermarket, suggestion, grocery store, hypermarket, what else? Convenience store, fast food. Um, you know, just pick a lot of all this local food, right? So I'll just pick a lot of this and let's just move on, right? Placement, I mean, Instagram DM definitely. Now, this is the trick. Once I've done this, I'm going to go to the last part of my ad, right? And I'm going to, now for this ad, I'm going to use an existing post. So I'm going to click use existing post, right? And then I'm going to click on select post and I'm going to select a post for this ad. So let's do that right away. So I've selected the post for my ad. So I'm just waiting for the post to be uploaded. Now, once the post is uploaded, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and publish this particular ad. When I publish this ad, then I would now create my other ad sets that I'm going to be using. So just follow me carefully and follow this. You can do this easily. I mean, this is easy, very easy. I'm just showing you how it works. So I'm waiting for my video to finish processing. You can see here. Okay, so my video is done processing. Then I'll publish this advert right now. Okay. Please follow me carefully. We are not done yet, but it's very simple. So now, once I publish my ad, I'm almost done here. Once I publish the ad, right? So now I have published my ad. Now, I've published the ad now. This is the video. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to the top right corner here where you see this 3 dotted line, these 3 dots here. And I'm going to click on duplicate, not quick duplicate. I'm going to click on duplicate. But before I do that, what am I duplicating? I want to duplicate the ad set. So I'm going to go back to the ad set. I'm not duplicating the ad. I want to duplicate the ad set because that's what we need. So I'm going to go to the ad set. I'm going to click here, right? And I'm going to click on duplicate. So when I click on duplicate, you're saying now you can now apply recommendations that may help improve your ad set performance. You can review your ad set before publishing. So what are we duplicating here? We're duplicate original setup, duplicate recommendations. I want to duplicate my original setup. So now it shows this screen here. So what are we duplicating? Original campaign, existing campaign, new A/B test. We are duplicating an original campaign, which is what we just created. Now, how many copies are we duplicating? Let's say we're duplicating 3 copies. So, right, you can duplicate as many as you want, but let's start with 3 because of our budget. So you know that if you do 3, that means 50,000 divided by 3. That's about 15,000 naira, right? If I'm correct, that should be about 15,000 naira. So if we do 10,000 naira daily, we can duplicate as up to like 5. That means each of the ad sets will spend 10,000 naira daily. That is the possibility. I hope you're following me. So let's just do 3 for this example, right? Click on duplicate. So, right, we have successfully duplicated 3. So our original campaign is here. Then there's also the duplicated one. You can see the duplicated one here. They are the ones that have copy, copy, copy. These are all the ad sets. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start editing them one after the other by clicking on the copy. So I'm going to click on the copy, the first copy ad set. Now I'm going to call it copy 1. Now, for each of your duplicated ad sets, you can change everything about them, about the ad set. You can change the destination to maybe WhatsApp. Maybe this one, you don't want them to DM you. But if you want them to DM you still, you can leave it. But if you want to change it from Instagram DM to WhatsApp, you can do that. Then you can come to the budget, right? You can come to the end date. The end date is the same if you want that. You can also come to the audience and change the audience. So for example, the original one, we were targeting Abuja, Ibadan, and Lagos. For this one, we can change the location to 3 different locations again. So instead of Abuja, Lagos, and Ibadan, we can now do, let's say, Benin City. We can do Benin City, right? And then we can do Warri, right? Let's say Warri, Delta. Okay? And then we can do, let's say Sapele, for example. Do you understand what I'm saying? So we can do these 3 cities for this second ad. Are you following me? If you're following me thus far, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's continue. So once you have changed this, you can scroll down again, change the age range, change the targeting that you use. In fact, one of the things I always advise that you also do is that don't only change the these things that I've mentioned, you can use custom audience for one of the ad sets. You can throw the audience wide for another ad set. So instead of using targeting all through, for one ad set, you can use custom audience. For another ad set, you can use age range, gender, and location alone. So you can always do all the different types of targeting you want to do. So now I can exchange my targeting with a different set of targeting entirely. So once that is done, right, I come to the ad here. You know what we just edited is the copy one, the ad set for copy one. So now the ad for copy one. So I can call this copy one. Are you following me? So now that I've called this copy one, what it means is that I can also change the post for this advert. Remember, we're still on the same campaign, but different ad sets. So I can change the post for this advert and pick another post for this ad. For this ad. So once I'm done with that, that is copy one. Now we go to copy, the second copy here, and we call it copy two. So I'll do the same thing, change all the details and everything, come to the ad again, change this one to copy two. So that way I recognize all my ad, I recognize all the ad sets. So this one here too, I'll change the ad set to copy three. Then I'll come to here again, change this one to copy three. So you can see that I have 3 copies of ad set and the original. So altogether 4 ad sets altogether. So this is how you create these multiple ads. Very simple. Make sure that you are very creative with the content, very creative with the targeting and all these things. Use all the type of targeting that you want to use and see how the result looks like. But remember that what I said, that if you are going to use this, you must have good budget to spend, because this type of ad would depend hugely on budget because you are doing multiple ad sets. So after the ads run, you can now pick exactly which of the ad is performing best for you, and then you can optimize. You can turn off some ad sets that are not working, and then you can leave your working ad set and increase the budget for that. This will help you a whole lot. Now, this type of strategy will work for people who have a lot of budget and also have maybe websites that they want to run ads to, the like e-com websites and all those things. I hope this video has helped you to show you exactly how you can create multiple ads. Let me know in the comment section if this video helps you, and also please share this video with somebody, and also subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos time and time again. I'll see you guys in another video.